What if you get a text message from your friend's Instagram account asking for rupees 10,000? What if you get a text message from a high profile police officer or an university chancellor in Facebook asking for rupees 5,000? What if you get a text message from your favorite celebrity asking for rupees 3,000 urgently? Yes, you have heard it right. This is the new fraud taking place in social media. Hi, this is Karthik S. Katil, CEO and founder Swaraksha for Women Trust Registered Mangalore. Due to this pandemic situation, many people have lost their jobs. Many people are facing financial crisis. But on the other hand, there is a huge rise in the fraudulent activities taking place everywhere. So today I am here to share some of the few simple precautionary measures which can be taken care in our day-to-day life to avoid being the victim of such frauds. So what this fraud is all about and what these fraudsters usually do, we are going to cover up in today's video. So usually if you are using a Facebook account, what these fraudsters usually do is, they download your original photo from your profile picture, they create a fake account in your name, then if they are in your friend list, they download all your photos, then they make a friendship with all the people whom you are friend with, then they starting sending a message that my mother is serious, my dad is serious, I need an urgent rupees 10,000, and these people end up giving them the money thinking that it's you. These fraudsters also create fake Facebook account or an fake Instagram account in the name of high profile police officers, in the name of high profile persons, and they start sending friend requests to you and you end up accepting it thinking that they are really an high profile person and they ask for money, and majority of people ended up giving them money. So these are the things which led to these fraudsters to commit more such crimes. And recently a new fraudulent activity have taken place, that is they send a request from a celebrity account. They start telling you, I am running out of fuel and I am in the middle of some forest, I need an emergency 3,000 rupees to fill my tank, please transfer it immediately. So usually people get excited when they get a text message from their favorite celebrity and they end up giving the money. So this is what taking place usually in this pandemic situation, and many people have lost their money because of this. And these people usually target our emotions, sentiments, like if they tell my mom is serious, automatically it connects our sentiments and we end up giving the money. We don't even take any suggestions, or we don't even think twice in transferring the money. So these are the things what these fraudsters do. Now the question is how to take precautions so that we will not be a victim for such a fraud activity. So first thing, if you get an request from your friend account, and if you have that same friend in your Facebook account, just call him or just text message him and ask him whether this is your second account. Because many a times what we people do is we send requests to our friends from both the accounts, and they think that both the accounts are genuine and they accept our friendship without even asking us. But from today, one thing what we can do is, if you see two similar accounts of your friend, just call your friend and tell him or her that there is one more account in your name, whether you are the person using it or not. So it will alert him. Next thing, if you get an text message from your closest friend asking you for money, take time, just call him. You will be having his contact number, just call him and ask him. And one more thing what you can do is, if you get a text message from any stranger, just ignore it, because you had never had any conversation with that person till date, and suddenly if he is asking for money, there is no logic behind it, it is 100% a fraud game. And if you get a text message from any high profile person, please contact them directly and tell them that someone is using their name to ask money, because this high profile person or a police officer will never end up doing such cheap activities, going here and there asking for money or asking for money in social websites. And the third thing, if you get a text message from your favorite celebrity, just ignore it, because it's 100% a fraud game. And many a times these people who ask money, they will text in English or in Hindi. So if you belong to any state like Karnataka or Kerala or Tamil Nadu, talk in your regional language. If your friend is from that state, he will 100% understand your language and he will reply you. If he fails to reply you, then it's 100% sure he is not your friend, someone has hacked this account. So how Instagram or an Facebook account gets hacked usually I'm going to cover up in the next video. So if you like the information, please do share it with your friends. So stay safe, always be alert. Thank you.